While I was scrolling on in Flipkart, I saw this awesome product and felt like ordering. So I ordered. After 3 days I received a parcel. I was surprised to see how fast the delivery was. However, now it's the time for unboxing, so let's go. Separate out the items from the box. We get an instruction manual in the box, so after referring, let's start the work. Before moving further towards the steps, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up like. First, take out the cloth material out from the pack. Take long tubes and insert it inside the cloth. Do it for every set of the tray cloth. Take the joint pieces out and fit it to the tubes. See that the cut hollow region is at the bottom side. This will be skeleton design of the wardrobe fittings. Voila, it may take bit time, but last it looks great. Note that the fittings should be tight. Do it for every set of the tray cloth. Take the small tubes and place it vertically on the hollow joints. Try to join the two sets of the joints with the small tube. After a lot of hard work, the skeleton of the wardrobe is ready. Make sure that the joints are tight, or else the joints will collapse down. Now it's the time to overdress the wardrobe. So take the covering cloth and put onto the skeletal wardrobe carefully. And here we go, the collapsible wardrobe is ready to use. Hope you liked this video, thanks for watching, see you in the next unboxing.